Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the Joget Intelligence ChatGPT Assistant plugin. This plugin allows you to incorporate a ChatGPT chat box directly into your application. Before we begin this tutorial, we need to obtain an OpenAI API key, navigate to the OpenAI platform website, and follow the instructions there. Next, you can download the plugin on the Joget Marketplace. Now to upload the plugin, navigate to the App Center and click Settings in the Administrator bar. Click the Manage Plugins tab and click Upload. Click Choose File to select the plugin and click Upload. Now click Add New and click Design App. Click Create New App and give the app an ID and name. Click Save. Click New under UI Builder. Give the UI an ID and name. Click Save. Click and drag ChatGPT Assistant to the menu. Click the ChatGPT Assistant to configure it. Enter your OpenAI API key. Click Apply Change. Click Save. Return to the App Composer. Click Publish. Click Launch to test the app in runtime. Type in a prompt. We will ask ChatGPT the steps on uploading a plugin on the platform for demonstration purposes. Click Send when you're ready. This is what your question will look like. Now review your response. There you have it. We have successfully integrated a ChatGPT chatbox into our app. If you need more information or encounter any issues, the Joget official documentation and community are always available to help. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the ChatGPT Assistant plugin.